Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna get right into this video because there's a lot to unpack here. Today I'm gonna clean out my closet and organize, get my winter stuff out and replace it with my summer stuff because as you can see, my closet's pretty packed. I have two, but I might work on the other side of the closet in another video because there's so much here to do. I want to get rid of all of these sweaters, put them in the attic. Some stuff I think I'm gonna give away to like Goodwill or something. So I'm gonna have two piles, one for the winter clothes that I'm putting in the attic, and then I'm gonna have another pile for things that I'm giving away. And I might have some stuff that might be garbage because I don't know how old it is and I don't want to give anybody anything that I wouldn't want myself. So let's get into this closet right now. So I think first I'm just gonna get rid of like all of the sweaters because I have so many sweaters. Just gotta get rid of them. And I need the hangers because I'm running out of hangers. This sweater, I'll keep this sweater only because I can wear this one like at work because it gets a little bit cold. So your cardigan. So I'll keep this one in here. So, as you guys can see, I have this much space now in this closet. Look, what a difference. Like, I can't even, what? Like, I can see the back of my closet. I can never see the back of my closet. It's way bigger than I remember it being. So, yeah. So, I'm going to put this stuff into the winter bag to go in the attic, and then I'm gonna start filling up this closet with some summer stuff. Okay, so I just thought I might also have some winter stuff in my drawers that has to go. So don't ask me when I'm out of breath. So I'm gonna clean out these drawers and see if there's anything that I want to give away in the drawers as well. So let us see. There's so much to unpack here. This will definitely go. Not my style. This can go because I can't fit it anymore. I've had this for so long. I'm gonna hang this. So if I'm gonna hang it, I'm gonna put it over to the front. So I'm gonna finish cleaning this out and then I'm gonna put all of the stuff back in. I don't know what I'm gonna hang and what I'm gonna put in drawers. Most likely I'm gonna just hang all of the shirts that I can and then put the rest in the drawer, and then I'm gonna try and condense all of my shirts to one. I don't know if that's gonna be easy, but I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna try and get all of my pants in two, I guess, but not tight how they were before. So let's get this finished so I can clean out this part, the little shelf, and then we'll be done for the day. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna start hanging some of this stuff in the closet so I can make some more room in here finally. I don't know what's gonna be able to be hung though. That's the thing. Okay, so this is my closet with the hangers. Looks very, very nice. I'm gonna zoom out a little bit. It's very nice. And then, so these are my shirts. Half of a drawer. Can y'all believe it? Half a drawer. And then my pants. Half a drawer. And so I have a whole empty drawer. So since I have so much extra room, I think I'm going to take some of either like my bathing suits or my underwear or my pajamas, one of them, and I'm going to fill them up in this drawer so they'll have their own drawer so that this isn't overflowing so much. So that's what I'm going to do now. Okay, so that didn't really make much of a difference, but it made a little bit of difference. I can at least open the drawer up without so much pressure and the thing falling apart. So kind of glad that I just did that. So we're gonna clean out this. This is, believe it or not, all my hair products. It's my makeup bag that I use. Shower caps. Like all the miscellaneous stuff that I have nowhere to put. This is a cooling towel. I guess you put it in the freezer and it dries. I don't even know where I got that. Okay, so I think we did pretty good. So we have 3 bags that's gonna go in the attic. Those are my winter clothes. And then we have this one bag that is going to go to Plato's Closet / Goodwill / anybody that wants these clothes. And I think we did very well, y'all. Look at this closet. Nice. We have room inside. We can see inside, feel inside. We have this drawer, very nice, and then this whole drawer. So we did great, and I'm very proud. Okay, everybody, thank you guys so much for hanging in there with me. I think we did an awesome job with the closet. I can't wait for the next video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe on this video. Also hit that post notification bell so you can get a notification whenever I do my Plato's Closet video. And we're gonna see how that's gonna work because I have never used Plato's Closet in New Jersey before. I guess it's like the same thing, but I've always used the Plato's Closet in Delaware. So we're gonna see how that comes out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.